foil grilled Cajun sausage and peppers. Ingredients: 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes, undrained. 1½ cups unsalted chicken broth, from 32-ounce carton. 2 cups uncooked instant white rice. 1 red bell pepper, cut into bite-sized pieces. 6 green onions, sliced. 14 ounces smoked fully cooked kielbasa, cut in half-inch slices. 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning. Directions: heat gas or charcoal grill. Cut 4, 18 by 12-inch, sheets of heavy-duty foil. Spray with cooking spray. Mix tomatoes and chicken broth in 4-cup glass measuring cup. Add instant rice, stir and let stand about 8 minutes or until most of the liquid is absorbed. In small bowl, mix bell pepper and half of the green onions. Place equal amount of sausage on center of each sheet of foil. Scoop about ½ cup of the bell pepper mixture on top of sausage on each. Dividing evenly, spoon rice around sausage and vegetables. Divide any remaining soaking liquid over tops of vegetables. Sprinkle each with 1/4 teaspoon Cajun seasoning. Bring up 2 sides of foil so edges meet. Seal edges, making tight ½ fold. Fold again, allowing space for heat circulation and expansion. Fold other sides to seal. Place packs on grill over medium heat. Cover grill, cook 6 minutes. Rotate packs half turn, cook 6 to 7 minutes longer or until sausage is heated through. Remove packs from grill, cut large X across top of each pack. Carefully fold back foil, stir to mix, and sprinkle with remaining green onions.